So whatever diagrams that you bring in over here, like let's say for example the circle right here, let's say I'm going to bring in the square right here and add in a color to this and bring in different shapes. Everything is written out in XML codes. That is, it generates out the XML codes for you. But if you want to go around and work around with those particular XML codes yourself, then you can do that over here as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto extras and then go to edit diagram, and then you can see the XML code right here. So you can see that there are 3 geometries right here, and you can see that each of them has a particular size. Let's say for example over here, the third geometry right here is this height. You can see the X height, like X and Y location right here of the geometry, and you got the width and height right here. So let's just go around and change this into 1000 by height will be, let's say for example 500, and once you do that, I'm going to replace the existing drawing right here and press OK, and you can see that this updates out the drawing right here just like this. But if I want to go around over here onto extras, onto edit diagram, let's say I'm going to go around and remove out the other shapes that I have right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and then erase that. And now I want to add to existing drawing in this case right here. So I'm going to go around for the x-axis. Let's say the distance will be 10 pixels. For the y, it is going to be 10 pixels as well. And then after that, I'm going to go around and say 500 right here, and height will be 500 as well, and press OK. Once I do that, you can see that a shape has been added in over here. But if I were to go around onto edit diagram, you can see there's 4 shapes now. And if I were to click on add to existing drawing and press OK, then what happens is that all of the drawings will be copied out, as you can see. And now if I were to go around onto edit diagram, you can see that there are 8 shapes. You can go around over here and delete out particular shapes as well. So let's say I want to delete these right here and then press OK. Now those shapes are deleted just by the code, as you can see. And that is how you can go around and edit XML codes that there are over here as well, if you want to, by using the edit diagram feature inside of diagrams.net. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.